Players, 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 players like fucker. Players. Fuck. Kilo. Bro, everybody did that. You got to be aware, bro. I don't even know where I was getting shot from. But we still could get fucked up on the train, bro. They're not there. This is Almaza, bro. You get sniped anywhere. I don't even have my smoke, bro. Bro, I tried to throw my smoke grenade and I popped the fucking stem. I don't know, man. Annoying fucking bot you are. What? Why you get sniped? Look at this, bro. Let's go, man. Motherfucker. Jesus Christ. Swear. Alright. We need to grab the car, bro, and drive to the train, bro. Fucking bot, man. We didn't even loot that guy body I killed over there. We should have looted him, man. But it's okay. Getting sniped. Drive, bro. Getting sniped. Bro, what's wrong with the car? The car can't go any faster, bro. Bro, glad I go on as a. I think we're getting sniped from the tower. Oh, the tower. Go, Zig. Motherfuckers, man. Activision need to upgrade the speed on the cars, man. What the fuck, man? No handling, no speed. Big fat Hummer like this. Bro. What? Drive close, drive close.